How to download Aviator Predictor app on your PC. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open any browser and then simply search for Aviator app GitHub. Then simply click on the first link, which is this one here. So let me click on it here. It's gonna load app. And then after that, you're gonna get redirected here. So here, you're gonna have to simply choose this one here and click on it. And then as you can see here, you're gonna have to simply download this app. So simply click on this button and simply install it, and then simply open the app and click login. Now here you're gonna have to simply click on forgot password if you want to find the password, and as username use this one here. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.